Hello everyone and welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unsave pins on Pinterest. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Open your Pinterest application. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. Click on the pin that you want to unsave. Click on the three horizontal dots at the top right corner of your screen. Tap Edit Pin. Then click on Delete Pin. Select Delete option once again. And that's it. Thank you for watching the Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.